Antwerp Port House, a fusion of heritage and innovation. The Antwerp Port House, designed by Zaha Hadid Architects and completed in 2016, stands as a landmark that bridges past and future. Serving as the headquarters of the Antwerp Port Authority, the building embodies both the city's rich maritime legacy and its ambitions as a global hub of trade and innovation. Its creation posed a dual challenge, preserving a historic fire station while adding a bold contemporary extension that would symbolize Antwerp's identity as both a port city and the world's diamond capital. The result is a striking composition that unites architectural expression with advanced engineering solutions. From an architectural point of view, the port house is a dialogue between old and new. The base of the building is the restored fire station, a heritage-listed structure from the early 20th century. Rather than demolish or overshadow this historic fabric, the architects embraced adaptive reuse. The existing building provides both a functional foundation and a cultural anchor, connecting the new headquarters to Antwerp's past. Above this base floats a crystalline extension whose form evokes multiple metaphors. Its angular, faceted surface resembles a cut diamond, directly referencing Antwerp's world-renowned diamond trade. At the same time, its elongated volume, tapering at one end, recalls the prow of a ship sailing into the harbor. This dual symbolism, diamond and ship, ties the architecture both to the city's commercial history and to its ongoing role as a maritime gateway. The extension is clad in over 2,000 triangular glass panels, some flat and some convex. These panels reflect the changing sky and water, producing a dynamic surface that shimmers like a gem. Depending on the weather and the viewer's position, the building appears light and translucent or solid and monumental. Inside, the glass envelope floods workspaces with natural light and offers panoramic views of the port, reinforcing the building's connection to its context. Architecturally, the port house is not just an office building but a civic landmark. It demonstrates how contemporary design can enhance heritage, transforming an obsolete structure into a vibrant symbol of progress. From an engineering standpoint, the port house is an exemplar of structural ingenuity and technical precision. The central challenge was how to place a large, heavy superstructure above a delicate historic building without overloading it. The solution lay in designing an independent support system that bypasses the old fire station entirely. The crystalline extension is carried by two reinforced concrete cores and a series of sculpted steel columns, often referred to as the paperclip structure. These elements transfer the weight of the new volume directly to the foundations, sparing the historic building from any structural stress. The superstructure itself is composed of a steel diagrid framework, an efficient system that distributes loads across triangular units. This allows the building to achieve its dramatic cantilever, extending up to 36 meters beyond the footprint of the old station. Wind loads, a major concern given Antwerp's maritime climate, are managed through the combination of the diagrid and the concrete cores, which provide both stiffness and flexibility. Pin-jointed connections in the steel members allow for controlled movement, ensuring resilience under dynamic conditions. The glass facade is another feat of engineering. Each triangular panel is uniquely angled to achieve both visual dynamism and structural stability. The glazing incorporates solar control and thermal insulation, reducing energy demand. Sustainability was further enhanced by integrating a geothermal heating and cooling system that uses groundwater, as well as by transporting building materials via waterways during construction. Thus, the engineering strategy not only solved the practical challenges of supporting a hovering glass ship, but also reinforced the project's environmental performance and long-term durability. The Antwerp Port House is more than an office for 500 employees. It is a cultural and engineering landmark. Architecturally, it unites heritage and innovation, transforming a disused fire station into a dazzling civic symbol. Its crystalline form celebrates Antwerp's identity as both a port city and a diamond capital. From an engineering perspective, it showcases advanced structural solutions that respect historic fabric while enabling ambitious new forms. The port house illustrates how architecture and engineering, when working in concert, can create a building that is both technically rigorous and poetically expressive, a beacon of 21st century design rooted in the legacy of the past.